Searching for ways to make money online? Look no further. In this exciting video, I will introduce you to a completely free app that allows you to earn money just by clicking. Imagine making extra cash effortlessly right from the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to tedious surveys and complicated tasks with this app. All you need is a few minutes each day and a willingness to earn. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join the thousands of people who have already started making money with this amazing app. Watch now and start earning today. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Let's dive right in. Looking for a reliable free app that offers rewards for viewing ads and completing offers? ArgonClick.com, a trusted app that allows you to earn rewards simply by engaging with video ads and completing various offers. Joining ArgonClick is completely free, giving you an opportunity to earn without any initial investment. By viewing ads, you can earn rewards. These ads are usually short and non-intrusive, allowing you to effortlessly accumulate rewards while browsing the site. Additionally, ArgonClick provides a daily bonus when you log in, and you can earn by joining the referral program. All you have to do is invite people to join using your invite link. One of the key advantages of ArgonClick is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to provide a seamless and intuitive experience, making it easy for anyone to navigate through the available tasks and maximize their earnings. Moreover, ArgonClick boasts a strong reputation for timely payments through Perfect Money and Payeer. So why wait? Start earning rewards today by signing up for ArgonClick. Just keep in mind, as same as all PDC sites don't expect to earn much money, it will be just small amounts. But if you're looking to earn decent amounts or a full-time income, there are other ways. If you like, you can visit the below link as I share some recommendations. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.